In this video, I'm going to talk about a couple of editing commands. I'll draw a line, and sometimes you find out the mouse is jumping. That's because here is a snap mode is on. I'll turn this off because sometimes it's really annoying. And I'll also turn this grid off. Click on some random place, and I'll give a 10 feet and press escape. The first command we'll learn is copy. The shortcut is CO or CP. Press spacebar. Then select this line, spacebar, and I'll just click on some random place and give a direction. I'll copy to the right and enter 5, spacebar. Then I'll press escape key to finish the copy command. This time I'll draw another line. So line from the end of this line to the end of another line. Click and press escape. Then this time I'll copy this line to here. So copy and select this line and press spacebar and click on one end of the line and click on the other end of the line and press spacebar. That's how you copy objects. Next command we'll learn is move. So here's a rectangle. So I'll move this object, M for short, and select this object, space, click some random points, and give a direction, and type 5. Then the object will move 5 feet toward the left. This time I'll move this again, so M, space, select the object, space, and select the left top corner of the object, and click, and select the right top corner of the other rectangle and click. So this way you can align this rectangle with the other one. The next command that I'm going to talk about is erase. This time I'll just delete this rectangle. Type E, short for erase, space, and select the rectangle and space. So it's gone. This time we'll check the distance between these two lines. So the command for checking the distance is dist, di for short, space, then click the end point of this line and click the end point of the other line. So when you look at this bottom, it tells you the distance is 5. That's total distance. And distance at x-axis is 5, y is 0, and z is 0. So if I check distance, space, click here and here, the diagonal distance is 11. And x distance is 5, y is 10, z is 0. The next command we're going to learn is scale. So if I check the distance, this is 5, this is 10. I think this is too small. I'll just scale this into double the size. So SC, short for scale, space, then select all the elements and space and select base point. Click and enter the scale factor. I'll enter 2 to make it double the size. Zoom out. This time I'll turn these lines into walls. Because walls have thickness, we'll make the walls to 6-inch walls. So the command we're going to use is offset. O is short for offset, space. Then I have to enter the distance of the offset. So type 0.5, which is 6-inch, space. Then select this wall and give a direction. Are we going to offset toward the outside or inside? This time I'll just use inside. And click, 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 click. So I just made a room.